Guys, welcome to my channel. This is Wago Dongo. Um, first, first as always, like, share, and subscribe. It really helps. Next, we're about to start building our color match app, and we're going to start from completely scratch so that you can see everything that goes. And the first thing I like doing is getting all the packages I'm going to need. So we could start off the project by starting a new Flutter project. I'm going to be using Android Studio. You could use VS Code or IntelliJ, whichever you prefer. So we hit start, click next. I'm going to call mine color match. Feel free to call it whatever you want. Yes, and finish up. And as we wait, we're going to download the packages we need. We go to pub.dev and we search for provider. Provider is one of the recommended state management solutions recommended by the Flutter team, of course, and it's very easy to use, very good, and has considerably less boilerplate code as compared to other solutions like Block, or I think Sculpt model has been, they're no longer developing on that. The Sculpt model, you can also use Redux or Mobex. We're going to be using the provider package, and we copy the provider and we come back. We start things off and we go to our pubspec.yaml file, and this file is indentation sensitive, so you have to watch the spaces. I just like sliding the packages under Cupertino, perfectly aligned, and we fetch the packages. Yes, so we wait for it to fetch the packages, and we're going to use a flat folder structure. We don't have many files. This is a very small app, so we could just put everything on the same level. And one thing we could start with is create a file. We'll call it home.dat. So we create home, will be the home of our app, and this will be I believe this will be a stateless widget. This will be a stateless widget, and we could start things off by importing the Flutter material dart. So material dart, which almost every Flutter file uses, and on Android Studio you can use a shortcut to create stateless widgets. So we just type STLESS. You see it's trying to complete it for me. A new stateless widget, and we'll call this one home, and it is going to return a scaffold, not scaffold, scaffold. It's going to return a scaffold with an app bar, and in it we're going to have the title text. We could call it color match, right? Color match, right? Okay. Yes. Now we go back to the main file. One thing I like doing is just clearing everything out and starting off from scratch. So we can talk every single. So we can start from the complete beginning. Every single Flutter app or Dart file, Flutter app rather, must have a main function. That's the entry point of the app. So first, as always, we import the material.dart. So we're going to have Flutter material.dart, Flutter material.dart. Okay. Then we're going to have, this is going to also be a stateless widget. I believe this will be a stateless widget. So we could go with void main, and this will run app. We'll run the my app. We could have my app. We haven't created it. That's why there's that red line. And you know, it's annoying. every line dot in Flutter requires, or Dart actually, it's a Dart language. It requires a semicolon at the end, so that's why we're putting that there. And we create another stateless widget. We call this my app. Yes. This is supposed to be run app, by the way. Not, yeah, it's supposed to be run app. It's, and here we return a material app. We return a material app, and the theme is going to be theme data, the primary color. Feel free to go. Primary swatch is going to be colors dot purple or purple accent. Let's go with deep purple. Why not? Let's go with deep purple. And the home is going to be home, and we import the home package. We'll import it first. Import home.dart. See, it's imported at the top, and if we reload things, it should work. So you see, we've gotten the color. This is the deep purple that is reflected in the primary swatch, and yeah, we have imported home, and this is what our app looks like. And one thing we could do, or one improvement, I don't know if it's an improvement, but it's a cosmetic change. We could remove this this banner here. Usually annoys the hell out of me. So we could say debug show checked banner, and we could not floss. Hey, Jesus. False. So we hit false, and yeah, we get rid of it there. And so this is the starting point of our app. And yeah, thank you for following me this far. And yeah, hope to continue and see you in the next video. Thank you. As always, like and subscribe.